Hi guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 3208, which is alternating groups second. So the description here says that there is a circle of red and blue tiles. You are given an array of integers colors and an integer k. The color of the I is represented by colors at index I. Colors at index I equal to 0 means that the tile is red. Colors at index I equal to 1 means that the I tile is blue. Okay, so an alternating group is every k contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. Each tile in the group except the first and last one has a different color from its left and right tiles. Return the number of alternating groups. Note that since colors represent the circle, the first and the last tiles are considered to be next to each other. So at the first, we are given a circular array 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and the value of k is 3. Now, in this array, we need to check that how many subgroups, like continuous subgroups of length k, have alternating groups. Okay, so like for example, in this example, we can see that 0, 1, 0 has elements subsequence has a size 3 and they are alternating. And similarly, 101, it has size 3 and they are alternating. And then the last group 010 is also alternating with the length of k. Now, since it is a circular array, we will also check the elements 100, like the 0th index of the colors array. And since it is not alternating, then we will not consider it. Then there will another subsequence which is 001. Okay, so it is also not an alternating group. Therefore, we will also drop that. So we can see that there are total 3 number of subsequences which has alternating groups. So the output here will be 3. Okay, so for the solution approach, we can consider the circular array to be a flattened array. Like we can have a new array ARR of size n plus k minus 1 such that the starting index having k size can also be collapsed into the previous colors array. Okay, so the new array ARR will have n elements of the colors array and plus k minus 1 elements having the indices from 0 to k minus 1 in the previous colors array. So we can have a circular array and we will do operations on that array. So we will place the sliding window template on that array. Okay, so like in the first step, we can see that 010 has an alternating group, thus we will increase the value of count. 101 has an alternating group, so we will increase the value of count. 010 has an alternating group, thus we will increase the value of count. And when we will come to the circular array, then we can see that 100, it is not an alternating group, thus we will leave it. And then we can come into the second group, which is also not an alternating group, thus we will leave it too. So we can see that the number of alternating groups are 3 and thus we will return 3 to it. So the time complexity of this array or the time complexity of this approach is big O of n plus k, as we are creating a new array having size n plus k minus 1, and also it is it is iterating over the circular array or circular flattened array having size n plus k minus 1. Thus its time complexity will be big O of n plus k. And we can see that the space complexity will be big O of n plus k as well, as we are using a flattened circular array that is derived from the colors array already given. Thus we can have the space complexity as big O of n plus k. Okay, so let's move to the code. Now we will create and now we will store the value of colors, length of colors array into the variable n. Now we will have another variable num that will store the value of n plus k minus 1, which is the new size of the array that we are going to create as a flattened array. Now we will create a flattened array ARR having size n plus k minus 1. Now we will copy the elements of the array colors into the array ARR. Okay, so now we will iterate over the array colors till the k minus 1 index, and we will copy the elements into the ARR array. Okay, so now we will have some few integers and integer variables, I equal to 0, j equal to 1, and value of count is 0. Okay, now we will generate a while loop where j is less than n or num. We will have a condition if array of j equal to array of j minus 1. Now if it is if this condition takes place, then value of I will be equal to j and the value of j will be incremented, and then we will continue the following statement. We will not go any further into the following condition. And the second condition, if condition, will be I minus j plus 1 equal to k. Like we will extract that group and we will check that group. If the condition follows, then we will increment the value of count, and then we will increment the value of I also, and the j will be incremented always. So we will put it outside the condition. Now we will return the variable count. Now we will run this code. So it has passed all the test cases. Now we will submit it. So it beats 86% of the solution. Thank you.